Example number 4 of the practice set 1.5. The denominator of a fraction is more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Find the fractions. You have to given the fraction, and in this fraction we have to consider the variables for numerator and denominator. Let the numerator be, let the numerator of a fraction be x and denominator be y. Then by first condition or from first condition, what is the first condition? The denominator of a fraction, a denominator we consider as y. This y is 4 more than, that is plus 4, more than, that is twice its numerator. Numerator we consider x, twice of numerator is 2x, that is the from first condition. Denominator, that is y, is 4 more than twice the numerator. We consider it as equation number 1. Now we have to give one, if 6 is subtracted, if 6 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, then numerator becomes x minus 6 and denominator becomes y minus 6. Now from second condition, after subtracting 6 from both numerator and denominator, we get the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator, and therefore from second condition we can write second condition denominator becomes 12 times to that of the numerator. Denominator we consider it as now y minus 6 is equal to 12 into bracket numerator x minus 6. Now y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 7, 12 6 are 72. Now this plus 6 gets converted to minus, and minus 76 gets converted to plus, that is minus 6 plus 72 is equal to 12x minus y. That means 12x minus y is equal to 66. Now from equation 1 we can directly put the value of y, that is 12x minus y that is 2x plus 4 is equal to 66. Therefore 12x minus, changes the sign because you have to give a negative sign before the bracket, minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 66. Now 12x minus 2x, that is 10x. At the same time minus 4 gets converted to plus, 10x is equal to 70. To find the value of x, multiplied 10 gets converted to division, 70 upon 10, that is 7. Now putting this value of x, on putting value of x in equation 1, we get value of y. Y is equal to 2 into x, that is 7 plus 4. Y is equal to 7 to the 14 plus 4, that is 18. And therefore we have to find a fraction that is x upon y, x that is 7 and y that is 18, and that is the example number 4. Next example is, out of 1900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with the average speed of 60 kilometer per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 kilometer per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. Therefore we consider that let we shall travel x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by aeroplane. Now we have to give on distance and speed, and therefore we have to find the time. Therefore we use the formula for time. Time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus. Then formula for time is distance upon speed. Now time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus, we get distance, that is x, and speed of the bus is 60, and therefore time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus is x upon 60 hours. Similarly, time taken by Vishal while traveling by aeroplane. Distance traveled by aeroplane is y upon speed of aeroplane is 700, and therefore time is y upon 700 hours, and therefore from given condition total time it takes 5 hours to complete the journey, that is time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus and aeroplane, and sum of these two times is given 5 hours. Therefore, we get x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5 hours. Now, to convert this into simultaneous equation, we have to take the LCM of this. LCM of 60 and 700 is 2100. By solving, we get LCM 200, and therefore multiplying by 2100 to both the sides, we get x upon 60 into 2100 plus 2100 into y upon 700 is equal to 5 into 2100. Both 0 gets cancelled. 210 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. Remaining 3. 6 5s are 30. That is, here we get 35. That is 35x. Now 2100. This 2 gets cancelled. 21 divided by 7, that is 3, and therefore we get 35x plus 3y is equal to product of 2100 into 5, that is 10,500. Equation number 1. Now from given again first condition, given condition total distance traveled by bus and aeroplane is 1900, therefore x plus y is equal to 1900. Now to solve this, in equation 1, coefficient of y is 3 and here is 1. Therefore, to make it 3 multiplied by 3 on multiplying by 3 to both sides, we get 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1900 into 3, that is 5700. Equation number 2. Now on solving equation 1 and 2, if we see the coefficients of y, signs are same, and if the signs are same, we take the subtraction, and therefore on subtracting equation 1 from 2, because the values of 35x plus 3y, that is, or we can write on subtracting equation 1 and 2. We get 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500 minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 5,700. Now changes the sign for subtracting. Plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. Subtraction of 35 and 3 is 32x, and subtraction of this is 4,800. Multiplied, this 32 gets converted to division. Both 48 and 32 are multiple of 16, therefore divided by 16. 16 2s are and 16 3s are, that is 300 upon 2, and 300 divided by 2, that is 150, and therefore distance traveled by bus is x and x we find 150, and therefore we shall travel by the distance traveled by bus by Vishal is 150 kilometer, and this is the example number 6. I hope you understand these all the examples. If you understand, then like and share my video channel.